8.7 billion views, 7.4 billion views, 4.7 billion views. These are not random numbers. This is a proper system that the biggest kids channels in the world have figured out. Cocomelon alone has generated between $9.6 million to $26 million in just the last 90 days from YouTube alone, and has pulled over 219 billion total views. And then I looked at Choo Choo TV, a channel that crossed 98.1 million subscribers with just 1,000 videos. Do you want to know exactly how they're doing this, and more importantly, how you can do the same thing without spending hours creating videos manually? First, watch this video I just created entirely with AI.
Chiku, the train goes chug, 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 rolling fast with a happy hug. With a happy hug. With a happy hug. Through red hills and sky so blue, let's count numbers, me and you.
That entire nursery rhyme, the animation, the music, the characters, all generated for free. No skills needed. Let me show you exactly how. Let's get started. Head over to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. And within seconds, ChatGPT will hand you a list of viral nursery rhyme concepts ready to blow up. Now pick the one you find the most catchy and engaging. Once you've chosen your topic, write this second prompt and paste your chosen topic inside it. Hit enter. And now you have a fully structured, engaging nursery rhyme with rhythm, verses, and flow. Copy the entire rhyme. Now head over to Google Gemini and choose Create Music. Paste your rhyme directly in and hit Generate. Gemini will create beautiful, catchy music for your rhyme, complete with rhythm, voice, and full musical flow. Once it's done, download the audio. That's your entire soundtrack sorted in under 2 minutes. No music production knowledge needed whatsoever. Now get back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a detailed animation prompt for every single scene of your rhyme. Within seconds, you'll have polished, structured prompts for each scene, ready to paste straight into your video generator. Copy scene 1 prompt. Head over to Google Flow, click New Project, and paste your scene 1 prompt directly in. Choose the right settings and hit Generate. Flow will create a structured, colorful, and engaging animated video clip for that scene. Now copy scene 2 prompt, paste it in, and generate. Repeat the exact same process for every remaining scene until your full nursery rhyme video is complete clip by clip. Now, open any editor, import all clips, arrange them in sequence, scale up slightly to hide the VEO watermark, import your Gemini music, and align it with the visuals. Add any fun effects or transitions that kids would love, export, and your viral nursery rhyme video is ready to post. Everything I used here is completely free. Subscribe for more tutorials like this and drop a like if this helped you.